Guys, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna play Kitty Cats. Okay, let's go. Anyways, enjoy this video and don't forget to get snack and drink. Alright guys, I just make video who likes this game. Alright, let's do this guys. Alright guys, you need to take care a cat. Yeah, you did it great. Now, playtime. Yeah. I just upload who likes this game. Alright guys. Yeah, we have playtime now. EB. Alright. Wait, what? How about to get a hat or something? Alright then. Yeah, you did it guys. Hey, let's get more kittens. A ginger one. Anyways, let's get kitten, get the water. You did it great. Fun time. A toy mouse. Alright guys, I'm gonna post a link for this game. I'm actually playing this game on Games Brigade on browser Basilisk. I think we're going. This game is not appeared in Legacy Stockholm. Sorry, I'll just post. Alright, you did it great. Yeah. Who likes this game? If you're biggest fan of this game, I just uploaded. Yeah, we did it, guys. Yeah, fun time, playtime. My gosh, best childhood ever. Yeah, my sister's favorite game. All right, Mario. Wow. Baseball cap. Oh my gosh, Super Mario reference. So great. Yeah. Alright, got some snacks for kittens. Yeah, we got it. Alright. Let's get some water. Alright guys. Alright guys, this game is still playable in 2021, but I'm talking about Shooting Cybertrash XL from Miniclip. Was cancelled in Miniclip. Which year? I don't know. Alright. Wait, is this Yoshi costume? Alright, whatever. How about we get Mario? Alright guys. Yeah. A shoe. Yeah. It's having fun. Alright, how about to get Yoshi B? Yeah, Yoshi. Alright. Take a buff from break. Alright, you did it great. Great job. Let's feed them and give them water. Come on, get him. Alright, that's better now. Alright, what do you want to play? A mouse, a ball, sleep, a box, shoe, duck? Alright. Yeah, we did it great, but I'm afraid this game is not in Blue Maximus Flashpoint. I'm actually playing this game in browser Basilisk. Is for Unity Shockwave. Got a ping. Yeah, in time to get a snapshot. Yeah, did a great job. Alright guys, that's all for now. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. We need to 400 subscribers, gonna show shout out to everyone. Bye! Stay tuned for more Flash, Shockwave and Unity games.